Foster Plus Step Down is a new scheme that we have launched to find foster families for children and young people who require a higher level of care and support. The scheme focuses on giving them the chance to live in a caring home environment in their own local community.
So the introduction period is a period of time where you would get to know the child or young person in the children's home, get to learn about them, their likes and dislikes, what their needs are, how those needs are met. There will be meetings with professionals involved with that young person, as well as your social worker there to support you.
In terms of matching, you will meet a child who is currently living in a children's home. You will get to know the child, find out what matters to them, their likes, their dislikes, so you could start preparing for your journey.
If you're interested in being a Foster Plus Step Down foster carer, then you would meet with our assessing team, which is made up of assessing social workers, where we would give you more information and answer any questions that you have. And then you'd enter into an assessment process where we would share further information about fostering with you, learn to understand why you want to become a foster carer, and look to gather information about yourself, and there would be some checks involved in that.
Here at Foster Wynneath Talbot, we have a really strong fostering community full of amazing foster carers who are dedicated to making a difference within our local area. Some have been with us over 30 years, whilst others are just starting their journey. You could join our fostering community and make a real difference by becoming a foster carer.
Sometimes, children and young people have to move out of county because there are no homes locally that meet their needs and provide safety for them. We make sure that we always consider how best to move the children back to the local community, to areas where they have a sense of identity or where their friends live.
All Foster Plus Step Down carers will receive full training and specialist support from our experienced fostering team, who will help you along every step of the way.
A step-down foster carer would receive a generous weekly allowance, and on top of this allowance they would also receive a weekly additional for pocket money, clothing and holiday allowance.
If you are a Foster Plus step-down carer, you can expect a package of support. As a foster carer, we will be there for you every step of the way. We have an on-call system where you can contact the team for support and advice. You will receive support from our specialist experienced therapeutic team, including a highly experienced forensic psychologist, specialist social worker and outreach worker.
So the in-house therapeutic and outreach team will provide practical support and assistance to children moving from children's homes to foster care. In addition to the support, I guess, is in addition to what they already receive.
We spend a lot of time trying to listen to the child and to the adults who are trying to support them, to better understand their struggles, their challenges, their difficulties. I guess the children that we try and support have often experienced family trauma, they've often experienced losses and separations, and that has an impact. So we try and understand that, what's happening and why, and I guess we try and support the adults who are supporting them on a day-to-day basis. We'll try and be there because it won't be always straightforward. There will be struggles when you're trying to support and care for children that have had some challenges in their life.
I myself am a foster carer who have looked after a child with disabilities for 13 years. I think there's a need that we have foster carers come forward who have the will to care for ones who have extra needs.
We're calling on current foster carers as well as members of our community who are interested in fostering to join us today. We want to give all young people in Wynneath Talbot the opportunity to reach their full potential. If you believe you could make a difference to a young person's life, please get in touch and start your Foster Plus Step Down journey today.